Welcome to the first walkthrough video for the Voleer Zendesk Toolkit. This toolkit includes 6 templates or tools to help you more easily manage your Zendesk environment. By using these automations, you can get deeper insights on how your team is using Zendesk and better manage your tickets. The first step to using the toolkit is to launch the Import Zendesk Dataset template, which will create a data warehouse for the other tools to pull data from. First, choose this template from the library. When you're ready to begin, choose which Voleer workspace you want to use and give your dataset a name. Then click Continue to move to the configuration stage. First, type in your Zendesk domain. Then choose which type of credentials you want to use. Voleer allows you to use either your username with the Zendesk API token or your Zendesk username and password. When using the API, you will need to add a / and the word token to your username. Then paste your API token. If you need guidance on how to find this or on the benefits of using it, search for our Creating a Zendesk API Token for Templates article in our Help Center. Finally, click Next to validate your credentials. Then, you can choose the date you want to start importing the data from. Here, we will start at the beginning of 2020. Click Next to start importing the dataset. Depending on the size of your Zendesk environment, the initial import could take a few hours or days to complete. If you want to automate the refreshing of the dataset, you can set up a scheduled job on the configuration page. Subsequent syncs will be much quicker. We recommend waiting for the initial import to be finalized before you launch other templates using this dataset so that all the data will be available. After this template has completed, you will be ready to use the other tools in the Zendesk Toolkit. Watch the other walkthrough videos to learn how to launch the rest of the templates. Thank you for watching.